Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your alarm tone on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening the Settings app. If you can't find the Settings app on your home screen, then it will be in the app drawer. In Settings, scroll down and select Sound and Vibration. Now tap Alarm. Here you can choose from a few different dynamic ringtones. For example, if you select Nature Alarm, it will play a different nature-based alarm tone every morning. Tap All Ringtones to get a bigger choice. Scroll down to see some more sounds that you can use. Tap 1 to hear the preview. If you have a sound saved to your device you want to use, select Local Ringtone. If not, select Choose Online Ringtone. You can now access an online database of ringtones and alarm tones. You can browse through different categories. Once you have selected the one you want, tap it and then select OK to download the tone to your device. Now when you go back, you can find your newly downloaded tones under My Ringtones. That is how you can change your alarm sound on a Xiaomi phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.